What's up, traders? Today I want to walk you through a trade I took yesterday on gold and show you how I refine my strategy, making my work as easy as possible. So the strategy is simple. That is the high of the day, that is the low of the day. Now the first hour sets the high and the low of the session, as you can see. As you can see, this is the first hour of the London session, 8 and 9 a.m. New York time. So I'm expecting price to come back to the high of the session in order to give me, my setup. But Stacy Buck recommends books like this book is called The Analysis of Stock Market Trends, by Shoboka. And that book really helped me understand some of the setups that Stacy Buck talks about. Now, as I was watching this market yesterday form, I saw it forming a certain structure. When you look at it, it's forming this structure where I think I talked about this shape a while ago, and someone commented it's called a pennant or a wedge. So I saw this forming, and in that, the analysis of stock, the analysis of stock, I don't remember the name, the full name of that book, but it described a certain shape. Now, as you can see, this shape, a pennant or a wedge, before 9:30, this is 9:30, where the cursor is, it formed this shape. So that book describes this shape as, it's a squeeze. It's like once it breaks out, the market moves explosively. So it is hard, when you are looking at this shape, it is hard to predict where the market will go next. But after the breakout, that is when you know where the direction of the market is going. So yesterday I had two options: either wait for the market to come back to the high of the session. That is my strategy. That is what I use, the pump and dump setup, at the high and at the low of the session, or at the high or at the low. Now, the second thing that works for me, because the last time it worked, this time it worked, is this shape. Once I see this shape, I know if it breaks out going higher, waiting for the retest and the engulfment, then I'm in. So yesterday it broke lower. So I was waiting for a retest and then an engulfment. So just patiently waiting, because now you can see it's a breakout, pullback. So we wait for the engulfment, for the entry. And there it was. There was my engulfment, as you can see. And that was my entry for 50 pips. And that trade took 3 minutes and I was out. 1, 2, 3 minutes, and I was out. That was a very nice trade, which I attribute because to the fact that I went and read these books that Stacy Buck recommends. Go and read them. Don't read them like storybooks. Read them with the intention of understanding your setup, understanding your strategy. So you'll just see the things that will make your strategy easier. That is what you will understand. You will understand what you want to understand. So yesterday, that trade was magnificent. As you can see, 3 minutes, 1, 2, 3 minutes, I'm out, 50 pips. So that is what I want to emphasize today. As much as I am teaching you these strategies, as much as Stacy Buck is teaching you his strategy, it is your own responsibility to put in the effort to trade live time and then do your own research. Know what works best for you. Know what works best for you. I remember there was a time I used to trade Asia, London, and New York. But I soon realized one single trade per day is enough. And New York is the most volatile. New York gives me explosive setups. New York, I can trade for just 2 hours and I'm out. 9 to 11. 9 to 11, that is when I come and look for my setups. 2 hours. So define your strategy and know exactly what works best for you. If you don't have a strategy, it's time to go back to your drawing board and look at yourself, look at your life, and you'll see what works best for you according to the way you live, the way you work. Everything about you, you will see it will align itself. So I hope you got value from today's video, guys. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and stay disciplined, stay focused. May the markets be with you.